Hello friends, welcome to Sovereign Store Home Garden channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a unique and uncommon wetland fruit tree whose native habitat is Central and South America. This wild-growing tree with smooth green bark belonging to Malvaceae family is well known by scientific name Pacina aquatica. Other vernacular names of this fruit tree are Malabar chestnut tree, Savannah tree, French peanut tree, Vienna chestnut tree, fortune tree, wild kapok tree and money tree. A very interesting story related to this money tree is that a poor man in distress prayed God for redressal of his poverty and got this plant as blessing. Soon he became very rich by selling seeds grown from this plant. Since then, people all over the world call this tree as money tree and lucky tree. Though Malabar chestnut tree is the native of Central and South America, these fortune trees are cultivated in many tropical regions including Southern California. In India, these trees are not very commonly found in northern region, but they are largely found in Kerala and some other neighboring states. Though this wetland tree can grow up to a height of about 60 feet in the wild, they are prune, shaped and grown as beautiful bonsai plants in attractive pots and containers as ornamental plants to decorate the facade of buildings and house verandas. Most people thus started the custom of growing these lucky trees as ornamental bonsai plants. When we talk about Malabar chestnut trees, sometimes people get confused over Pacina aquatica plant and a similar plant with a braided trunk sold widely as house plant. In fact, what we generally see are not Pacina aquatica house plant, but they are Pacina glabra plants sold as ornamental tree. Now, let us have a close look over the edible pod fruits and the wonderful tree that produce these lovely woody fruits. Malabar chestnut trees produce hard green woody pods that contain edible nuts. The size of these woody pods may be about 6 to 7 centimeters in diameter and 10 to 20 or 25 centimeters in length. Each pods generally contain about 10 to 25 nuts. When these green pods are ripe, they change the color and become dark brown and split open, releasing the nuts. Like other fruits, these nuts are not ready to eat type. You have to first remove the porous coating and then soak the brown nuts in water to soften the tough skin. When soaking is done well, brown seed cover can be peeled out easily and the edible nut inside can be collected for use. Fresh Malabar chestnuts are tasty and can be eaten with snacks and salads. Cleaned and crushed nuts are also used in cookies and for topping in ice creams. These nuts are sometimes roasted in fresh coconut oil and served with snacks. In some regions, these nuts are powdered and mixed with ingredients for making breads, cakes and other bakery items. Green leaves of Malabar chestnut trees are also said to be used as a vegetable in some regions. Report says that this fortune tree is graced with medicinal potentials and they are used as an effective herbal medicine. These evergreen trees said to contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory traits that can be helpful to maintain blood sugar, blood pressure, congestion and cholesterol. Let's now understand how Malabar chestnut tree can be grown. Propagation of new plants are mostly done through cuttings, grafting and air layering methods, as seeds take longer time for germination. For growing these plants from cuttings, we must first find a healthy tree and take a stem cutting of about 6 to 8 inches long. Dip the cut end of these cuttings in a good rooting hormone before planting in a pot or container filled with manure-rich potting medium. The ideal potting medium can be a mixture of leaf mold, cow dung, cocoa peat and sand. Pots selected for planting must have holes at the bottom side to ward off excess water. At the initial stage, these plants need bright indirect sunlight. Never allow exposure to direct sunlight to avoid sunburn of tender leaves. If we are growing new plants from seeds, good quality seeds must be selected and soaked well before planting to speed up germination. Plant these seeds in potting mixture and keep the pot in shade. Seeds generally takes a week to 10 days time to germinate. Water the new plants well and keep them in shade for few more days as baby plants take time to develop roots and leaves. Transplanting new plants to bigger pots or containers can be done after about 40 or 45 days time. So these are the important steps for developing new plants. Let us now discuss about other factors that can speed up growth and fruiting of these trees. Malabar fruit trees can be grown in soils which are neutral or slightly acidic. A well-grown tree takes about 4 to 5 years time to attain full growth. Leaves of these trees become yellow and falls down during autumn period. These trees can survive at low temperature with high humidity and can flourish under partly shaded bright sunlight. As I have said, these trees very well get adjusted to different local weather and environmental conditions and continue their growth. Now, let us see the speciality in blooming and fruiting of these trees. Malabar chestnut tree flowers are very unique. They are hermaphroditic, largest and most beautiful among showy tree flowers of the world. Petals of these beautiful large flowers are long and they open up like a half-peeled banana, revealing the yellowish-orange, fine hair-like stamens. At the outside, there is very fine-haired green-brown overgrown calyx that gives a cup shape. The flower thus gives a wonderful overall look of a shaving brush. Pollination of these large and beautiful flowers are said to be through bats. From these pretty flowers develop egg-shaped woody pods containing cashew-sized nuts. As I have said earlier, these nuts are not ready-to-eat type. These nuts are to be soaked well to peel off the seed cover before use. Now about harvesting and storage. Harvesting is generally done when the color of green pod changes to brown. After harvesting, these brown pods are cleaned, sorted and stored in clean and dry storerooms before sending out to market. Some growers crush open these pods and sell nuts, while others make powder of these nuts after soaking, cleaning and drying them. Now about pruning. To maintain proper shape and to enhance productivity, annual pruning is necessary. During pruning, all unwanted growth must be removed. Finally, let us see some of the problems faced by the cultivators of Malabar chestnut plants and trees. Like other fruit plant growers, Malabar chestnut growers have their problems. Drought, heavy rain, strong winds, flood and other natural calamities affect these trees adversely. Besides, there are attacks from insects, pests and other fungal diseases. Use of effective and eco-friendly insecticides and regular observation of plants to a great extent can save these lovely trees from the attack of enemies. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the contents, please like, share and subscribe Sauvarnika Store Home Garden channel. We at Sauvarnika Store Home Garden grow exotic and rare plants to cater the online needs of plant lovers. If you like to see our other videos on rare plants, please subscribe us. I will be back with details of another exotic and rare plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.